So on this one, the spring hinge here is broken. So what we're going to do is attach this part of the spring hinge to the top there. What we have to do is cut this back to get room in there in order to get these to fuse. The spring will not activate out, but it will still close all the way. So that's what we're going to get going on right now. In order to get my alignment right, what we'll do is we'll set this in there and get all the angles correct. So insert that without the frame attached. Just confirm that we got all our alignment correct, lining it up so we get our angles correct, and then we're ready to go. Got that all the way around all three sides, so now we just have to put it on the frame. Got this so opens and closes. Doesn't spring out, but gonna fit their face nice.